There we go. Well, hi everybody and welcome back. This is just a little quick update really. Remember a couple of weeks ago we sort of like I showed you the old the kelsae onions, and the roots were just starting to grow. Well, they're now out of the bottom of the pot there, you can see that. So I'm actually going to take them out of this pot and put them onto a larger pot. This sort of size, I think it's 12 litres. So hopefully I'll be able to take that all out in one go and just pop it straight in. I mean, I've made a hole in the compost already, and we'll give that a go, see what happens. It might just fall apart, you never know. But this is one of the other ones. And you can see the roots are down the bottom, so I'll be putting that into another one. But not today, just to show you really. So hopefully I'll be able to just tip it out and pop it into there, because we're going to grow this for seeds this year. Look at that, that's not bad, is it? That's about 2 weeks at the most. Right. I'll just pop that in there without disturbing it too much. I broke one of the legs off, never mind. These things happen. Well, that's not bad, is it, for a first attempt? Well, we broke one of the tips off, but I don't think it's going to really matter too much because we're actually growing these for seed. I'll do the other one later, so I'll move that one out of the way. Oh my gosh, weighs a tonne now. Now, this is the kelsae. I don't know what's gone with this. It's actually split. So, as you can see, the roots are through the bottom again, but I'm just going to pop this onto a bigger pot. Same sort of way as that, really. That's not too bad. Now, that's not a bad root system, really, is it? Look at that. Eventually I want to get some little supports for here, just to hold the onions together, because you've only got to touch them and the foliage sort of folds in on itself. I've got some wire over there. This sort of like wire, and you just, well actually you unroll it and you'll make some supports out of it, because it's quite bendable and it's strong enough to hold the plants up. So I'll be doing that later on, but not today. So I've got a couple of those to do, but I'll do another one of them later. Now I'm going to transplant my cabbage, because they've been in these cells long enough. And just to see what they're like. Right, that's not a bad little root system, is it? I'm just going to put them onto the bigger size here, because I'm not quite ready to put them out yet. And I'll pop them back into the greenhouse later on, just to protect them a little bit. Lovely little root balls. I've kept them a little bit on the dry side because you don't want to sort of dampen off in the greenhouse. It is quite cold. I mean, we've had a few frosty nights and stuff. So there's 3. You can see how dry the compost is. But they seem to be thriving, which is quite good. I mean, this is, you just see the moisture as I wring it out, so it's just a little bit damp, but it's enough for what these need. Don't want to give them too much water, because they'll go rotten. I'll do one more there. Very nice healthy plants anyway. But obviously when we do actually plant them out, I mean we'll plant them right up to that. So like they'll be in the ground quite a way. Don't forget the label. I mean, you might think it's a little bit early, but cabbage is really quite a strong old plant, really. Once you get them established, I mean, they can actually take a bit of frost. As you all know, really. Well, that's 9. So I'll put another 2 in. Oh, I'll put another 2 in. Didn't quite get a full tray to germinate in that one, don't know why. But 9's not bad, I suppose. Out of the 12 tray cell pack. There we go. Crispy cabbage, all transplanted, ready for the next one. So we'll move them out of the way, they've got the label. I've got some white sprouting broccoli here to do, same sort of thing. You notice how they've got quite leggy in the greenhouse, so we'll bury these really quite deep when I do put them in. We'll just check the roots. Oh, that's not bad, is it really? Nice little set of roots there. And we've got our leeks to do as well. These are tornado. They're quite pot bound really, I suppose you could call them, or seal bound. But I think they'll get away quite well, but we'll be doing them later on. But you've seen me do the hispy cabbage, and I'm going to do exactly the same to these white sprouting broccoli, so it's not really worth watching that, but I'll do that later on. Oh, there you go, that shows it's live, doesn't it? Right, I've got these little onions here. I'm just going to pop them into some damp compost, and when they actually plant them out, you'll find they've got a really massive root system and they get away really quickly. So we've got white onions and I've got red onions over there, which obviously go into a different tray, but it's the same process. I might show you doing the red onions on another video, but it's hard to say. Got onions everywhere. There we go. Right. Just gives a little bit of a head start really. I mean, onions are so hardy these days, you can just plant them out any time really. Well, I'll put them back in the bag. That was a whole fill a bag of onions for £3, 49p, which is not bad. Like around about I must have 150 onions in there, I expect, because I did actually count into a bag and see roughly how much we're getting. Now, I've done that wrong, haven't I? Put a wrong row out. I thought it was wrong. It should be 4 in a row. Within a couple of days, these weeds will actually start going away, rooting, and they'll develop a really nice root system here, ready for planting out later on. So I'll just pop them over there. Now obviously, everyone's chipping their potatoes these times, so we'll just run through a quick one. Potatoes are over there, I'll just step out of shot for a minute. Okay, now I think we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and one of the 7 different varieties of potatoes to plant, but I'm only going to do a couple. So this is Sarpo Express, really good heavy cropper, and that says Setana, okay. So we'll do them two. Move the others out of the way. That's Duke of York. That's King Edward's. So all we're really looking to do is find the eye. You all know where the eye is. Place it upright. This one's got 2 or 3. That's quite good. Put one there. Place that one upright. And then put them sort of somewhere fairly airy. Not cold. I always put mine up on top of the kitchen cupboard so that they romp away. No problem at all. I mean, I've had these down there for a couple of weeks now because they've actually been in our local nursery for quite a while. As soon as Christmas over, the seed potatoes were out. Right, pen. Don't forget to put a pen. This is S-E-T. Oh, you're writing, yeah? Oh, A-N-T-A. A-N-T-A. Setana. So you don't want to get them mixed up because I'm going to put enough in here for another tray. So we'll just move that down there. Put one tray there. I mean, I could have filled up there really, but that'll do. And this one is Sapo Express. Good, we'll just get a few in there. It's just a general twist tune. I mean, that one's romped away already, isn't it, really? Definitely find out what that one is. So that's gone away really quick, hasn't it? How about that? Bag's empty. That's pretty good. So there you go, quick and easy. Little chip facing upwards. When they're about 1.5 to 2 inches high, like they're really ready to go in the ground. It just gives them a head start. I'll leave that there for now. Now then, where's my glass gone? I'm trying to pre-chip some seeds. Well, there we go. Right. You may find it a bit hard to see these, but I've got 3 different types of pea in here, and a maize, and giant pumpkin, and some beetroot and some cabbage. That is a seed which we've had in a box for quite a while, so I'm just giving them a little soak to see if they're any good to germinate, rather than waste my time planting loads of seeds and they're not coming up. So I'll be doing that later, and I think that'll be it for now. Got lots more videos to do. Thanks for watching, see you on the next one.